This is a complete set of deep processing equipment for natural cocoa beans, with a capacity from 100 kg/h to 2000 kg/h. Realize the production from cocoa beans to cocoa nibs, cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, and cocoa powder. After being roasted at a temperature of about 130 degrees Celsius, cocoa beans will give off a charming aroma. This roasting machine can realize continuous production and constant temperature control. The mesh belt is made of stainless steel 304. The roasted cocoa beans is complete and the moisture is below 3%. Cocoa beans need to be cooled before peeling, so that the skin and the kernel can be separated. The cooling equipment is a pressure cooling belt. The cocoa beans are transported along the cooling belt and passed through the fan, so that the temperature will drop from the roasting temperature to below 60 degrees Celsius. Use special peeling equipment for the cooled cocoa beans. This is the cocoa peeling machine, with a peeling rate of over 95%. The cocoa beans are crushed by the squeezing of rubber rollers and differential kneading. During the vibration conveying process, the red skin is separated by a low-pressure fan, and the germs are screened out. Cocoa nibs are discharged from the discharge port. In order to reduce the fat content in cocoa powder better, the cocoa nibs grind firstly. This is a cocoa grinding equipment with simple structure and stable operation. In the process of grinding the sauce, the large cocoa nibs will become only about 0.15 mm particles. Next process is the pressing of cocoa liquid block. This is a large hydraulic oil press with the pressure of 60 MPa. Put the cocoa liquid block into a press filter bag and press it under high pressure. Automatic pressure. Automatic control. During the squeezing process, the cocoa butter overflowed in large quantities and the color was translucent. After pressing, you can see that the cocoa cake is thick and firm. The cocoa cake needs to be roughly crushed using crushing equipment. This cocoa cake crushing machine has low operating noise and adjustable discharging granularity. The coarsely crushed cocoa cake has a large particle size, so further crushing is required. This is the fine crushing equipment. The hole is 201 ss. And the rotating speed can reach 3800 r/min by adopting the pendulum. Cocoa powder with uniform particles is formed through an adjustable mesh screen. The particle size of cocoa powder can